Dad!
Yeah?
Can we do unboxing video with one of those toys we bought? Please.
Can you play me a song first?
Yeah. Now let's get to it! What's up, my cuticorns? Today, we are gonna unbox something stretchy, gooey, and fun to play with. Slime! And I bet almost everybody loves slime, right? And here it is right now. It looks really cool. All I gotta do is add water. This is like a really cool rainbow slime, and I'm so excited. Poof! Here it is, this rainbow slime. But wait, how do we use it? Fill with water to the line. Oh, I see a little bit of an arrow. I hope you can see it too. Secure the lid, shake quickly for 30 seconds. Remove the lid, wait 5 minutes before removing the slime. Mix your colors to create more colors, then put them together to create a rainbow style. Ooh, yay! Looks like we have the slime powder in here. Let me go put this on the floor. And here, this looks like the powder. We got the powder and we gotta shake it. If you're like super young, you have to ask a grown-up for help. This. All of it. And now it's time for the glitter and water. This. And put it in. Okay, so now that we got all the glitter and powder in, before we add the water, we're gonna add a special ingredient. Hello, bye-bye. You look at the water line. Yeah, there. Highly. This time to shake. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Well, that sits. We're gonna do the rest of them. It's ready. Let's do it! Yay! Oh. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Look at it. It's like gooey-ish. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna first up put the pink like this. Oh, coming out. Oh, this one feels a little more sturdier and firmer. Feels so good. Okay, now let's go put it down like right here because we're adding the yellow last. Oh my goodness, the yellow feels so slimy. Got it out. Oh, whoa, ew. Ew, whoa. The yellow's like actual, it's like actual goo. And that's, now you can put these all together. And there. Okay. Whoa. Glitter, glitter, glitter. This feels so fun. Whoa. This is so cool. See? Whoa. I can play with this all day long. Let's go roll. Now, stretch this. see this? Aw. And there you have it. I opened this for you and whoa. So it's like, I love it so much and I hope you guys do and I hope you guys buy it. Also, please subscribe my cutie corns and thank you so much for watching.